A guy who grew up in Ann Arbor, Michigan, one of the hotbeds of aerobatics and air shows in our country. And watch this, 0 airspeed. He backs it up, quickly swaps ends and goes into a knife edge spin. 2 turns, 3 spins, getting faster and faster. 4, 5, 6, he'll stop it after 7. There you go. Bill Stein flying the American-built Edge 540 aircraft with a Lycon custom engine. And I want you to keep your eye on the airplane as the sun glints off this amazing paint job. PPG Aerospace built it. As he now backs it up in what is called a torque roll. Bill Stein, after being inspired as a young man, became a computer geek and went out to the West Coast to Silicon Valley. But never gave up his love of flying. He then became connected with another of the hotbeds in airshow aviation out in California by the name of, hooking up with Wayne Handley and Wayne Handley Aerosports. Bill Stein now has carved out for himself an incredible place in our business, having given back in many ways as a coach, as a team flyer, as a solo performer, and as an award winner. We'll talk to Bill Stein in the cockpit just a little bit. With a roll rate of over 400 degrees per second, the lightweight carbon fiber and composite materials used to build this airplane and the very, very powerful motor and propeller combination allows him to do aerobatic maneuvers that were unheard of 40 years ago. It's a very, very high power-to-weight ratio and a very, very unstable aircraft, unlike the full-place private aircraft you might see flying around, where stability is important. In this case, you'll trade all that stability for great agility. Now, it's time to go live to the cockpit. We took one for the team yesterday by living out the bad weather so they can have great weather today.
Well, yesterday, they gave me the good weather and it was awesome when I flew.
But that was just a sucker hole in the sky for everybody else. Hey, listen, dude, I know you got some fancy stuff you want to do. Oh my gosh, I wish I had my mother-in-law up there. All right, Bill Stein's going to go down to the left. Tell us what you're going to do next, partner. And for some reason...
You cut out there, Rob.
Okay, do you see me now, sir?
I got you. How's it going there?
Well, it's good. Tell us what this dink is.
This is a training maneuver. You got to learn how to do these somehow. And so this does you one revolution. Go left to go forward, to go backward, you stop.
And so that's what I'd have to learn to do if I wanted to tumble my airplane?
But they're all on purpose.
Yeah, that works. And so I'd learn how to tumble my airplane by doing the same thing?
Yes, exactly. Yaw right, yaw left, stick forward, stick back. Pretty cool.
Oh man, I told the people about my mother-in-law already. They weren't too pleased. There's a lady who's angry with me right now.
That's funny.
All right, bring her back in to explain what's going to happen next.
So, come down, go up to a ballistic car. Now right, stick those forward and to the right, and then I'll walk your right forward.
Oh yeah! The centrifuge. And Bill, I mentioned that you were an award winner, and I want to congratulate you being on the most recent recipient of the highest award given in the airshow industry, the International Council of Airshows Sword of Excellence. Nobody deserves it more than you, my friend.
Thank you. That was quite an honor and quite a compliment, and you had that reward, so you know exactly what it means. It's been a fantastic year. We give it to someone else in a couple of weeks, and they're very well deserved, I believe.
Yeah, thank you, and also Wayne Boggs and the Blue Angels. We've got the Sword of Excellence is something that we all covet and we all consider a great honor.
And then you got all the award winners like that.
Yep, that's one of the things that makes Pensacola one of the special shows, in that we've got some of the greatest award winners everywhere. All right, now I'm going to think you did 4 snap rolls on the top, quadruple avalanche, correct?
How about that? So I did that for him.
Yeah, so I'll get to call my boss today and be like, I'm not showing up.
I'm going to have a Wayne Hanley tumble. The Louis tumble.
Get another dog guy.
It's like those things, but it's going to be a good endo, I think. I get going pretty fast. You all right? It goes left and forward. There we go.
How is it that you're not throwing up there? I tell you what, you sound like you're taking a walk in the park.
Well, it's sort of is a normal day at work, but I do practice a lot.
So you build up a tolerance for those G's and all that throwing around. I tell you, I'd be losing my lunch right about now.
Well, I don't talk to you much while I'm pushing it outside, but yeah, it's not too bad when you get used to it. It's actually, your own roller coaster that you get to make up. It's nothing more fun than what we do for a living.
Now, your Edge 540 built right here in this country. I'm sure you're proud that it's made in the USA.
It is. Great airplane made in Guthrie, Oklahoma. I'm flying a Herschel prop, which is made in Pickle, Ohio, and that's the best prop I've ever
Yes, indeed, and that Hartzell Propeller Company also builds props for the Army, Air Force, and the Navy T-6 Texan II.
That's cool. I wish they built them for the C-130s. We'd all be better off.
That's very true. Hey, you're slowing down.
Should be pretty slow. This is a Harrier. Just trying to get it as slow as possible.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to open up the mic. Hey, listen to this. Ladies and gentlemen, give Bill Stein a big round of applause. Can you hear that, buddy?
That's awesome. So what I want to do now is shake everybody's picture if I can. I'm going to do a selfie pass. We're going to have a